Stop by and take a look at the 2014 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, brake assist, traction control, stability control, intermittent wipers, engine immobilizer, steel wheels, tires, front all-terrain, convertible soft top, tires, rear all-terrain. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.